So, here we are with patient Toby. Toby was here a year ago. It was a year.
Exactly.
Exactly a year ago. And he was a class 6, which means he didn't have any hair on the top of his head for the most part. We did a MaxHarvest Plus hair transplant procedure. How did everything go for you?
Beautiful. Look.
So you're happy?
Unbelievable.
Love it.
Game changer. Yeah.
How has it affected you in your life?
Total confidence. I mean, just easier to. I just put a little product in my hair, run it through, and I'm done. Instead of all the trying to find a spot to put one hair on a whole head, it's a lot easier.
Okay. And now you were telling me it's affected you in your financial.
Oh, absolutely. I mean,
too.
career-wise, I think people are more confident when you look better.
Yeah.
I'm in sales, so it's just been a game changer.
That's
really
awesome. You know what? I say it all the time. People don't understand what a difference it is when you don't have hair and then you get your hair, how much it changes how not only you see yourself, but how the world perceives you. And just everyday little things makes a difference, how you're treated, isn't it?
Couldn't agree more.
Awesome. And now, what would you say to the guy who was sitting at home saying, man, I'm scared of doing this. I'm afraid to have a hair transplant.
Cut the check, get it over with. It's very painless. The recovery time is minimal, and you're back on the go within a week.
That's awesome. Okay, I'm just going to kind of show the camera what's doing here. And so we did a huge case on you. Can I have you tuck your...
Sure.
Yep. No, not that quite far. Yeah. We're just running the comb through here. This is all bang. Look at this. Holy smokes. Look at that, man. Looks great. And just kind of look at the camera for a sec. I'm going to just kind of turn you around so they can see all the different angles. So you can see how we recreated this whole hairline. Tiny little one hair grafts all the way around. As far as the suture line goes, everyone's so concerned about that suture line.
Well, speaking of that, even my hairdresser said, "Oh, I didn't even know where your suture line was." So
your hairdresser couldn't find it?
No.
Okay, that's awesome. So look at this. So this is, let me grab it so I can point this. So basically, that's a suture line right there. Look at that. You can barely even see it. So let's kind of follow that around. So that's the suture line. See that little tiny trace line? This is what everyone's so freaked out about. And this is my first time, chin down a little bit for me, please. This is my first time looking at it. I always do that with the camera. I'm looking at it for the very first time. And it's absolutely, you did great, man. Look at that. That's it right there. So all the way around, you can just see this tiny little trace line. Look at that. Unfreaking believable, man. You healed awesome. You gotta really know what you're looking for to find it, man. Holy smokes. Excellent. You did great. I always know when my patients are good patients because it shows in the results. And this is just, no joke, as good as it gets. He could shave that down with probably a 1 blade and you wouldn't even see that. All the way to the other side over here. I can't even find it. Oh, there it is. Just right through there. See that little tiny line? Does the camera see that? It's absolutely perfect. Unbelievable. That's a home run, man. While I got you back here, I'm going to tilt your head back towards me. So he had nothing here. This has completely been grafted everywhere. And so what we did is we created a spiral back here that creates the direction angles in the hair on the back of the scalp. And then that feeds the hair in the different angles. And so he has a super fine hair, but look at this. We were able to fill this entire area from front to back. This is our base, and now today what we're going to be doing is leaving everything where it is and just kind of filling in the dots. Suture line's unbelievable. It's literally as good as it gets. You did awesome.
Thank
so
you,
whatever you did last time, I need you to do again.
Whatever you did last time, I need you to do it again.
I'm not worried about me. So anyways, I mean, how excited you? I'm so real excited for you.
Me too.
I mean, it's amazing what a year can do, huh?
Unbelievable.
And your first procedure, believe it or not, is not fully grown out. Those big cases, sometimes will take up to 18 months to see the full effects of it. And so this next case is going to take probably at least 18 months before you get a final result.
Okay.
So, anyways, I want to congratulate you again.
Thanks, Doc. I appreciate
Congratulations.
it.
Thank you very much for doing this video for us. We really
you.
appreciate it. And we'll make it another great day.
Wonderful.